This is Paul. Yeah. I was thinking about those hackers that hacked the senior center. Yes. They have what's called criminal maintenance. The unauthorized interference in a lawsuit by assisting one of the parties in an effort to obstruct justice. Yeah. It's been often documented. I put it on my YouTube and Facebook that I'm suing the sheriff's department and the police department for not enforcing the laws of the United States. Now, wouldn't it be criminal maintenance on the part of those in law enforcement to allow hackers to hack the senior center where I'm trying to email law enforcement? I mean, aren't those that are elected and appointed to office just maintaining the hackers so as they can obstruct my right to contact law enforcement about my right to due process being violated? Now, when I put in emails and videos that I'm going to sue the sheriff's department, the police department, every elected and appointed oath of office in the United States that has any knowledge of the crime of obstructing my constitutional rights, and then they allow for the maintenance of hackers to obstruct my emails, as if they're thinking that obstructing justice is a good thing to do as one of those that has a badge on. How's it going? Now, not enforcing cyber crimes means that you're really maintaining criminals so that you yourselves won't be getting that lawsuit that I keep talking about. You know, the lawsuit where I was not given notice or opportunity to be heard before you issued a protection order in 2011. Where I wasn't given notice and opportunity to be heard before you issued a protection order in 2015. It seems that those in law enforcement are just maintaining criminals that are violating cyber crime laws because they just don't want that lawsuit. They just don't want to go to prison. Now, it's one thing when somebody hacks a senior center because they think that there's something of value. It's another thing when judges and justices and those elected and appointed oaths of office know that they're maintaining criminals that are committing crimes because they themselves are obstructing justice and they're obstructing my right to sue them. Sheriff, what knowledge do you have about the hackers hacking the senior center or any other email address that I have? All the times that you had that desktop that you saw me writing those emails, it would seem that those in law enforcement really just maintain criminals so they themselves are not obligated to go to prison, which they should be obligated to do. The whole idea is, well, as long as we don't get arrested, we're gonna continue to support and maintain criminals that violate cyber laws. Is that really how law enforcement is supposed to work? Now, the maintenance of criminals, sheriff, makes your crimes 100 times worse. It's kind of like a police department paying for somebody to keep me from getting my rights so that they don't have to acknowledge the emails that I've already sent, and they just continue to just throw hackers at the problem thinking, well, we'll just keep obstructing his emails, and as long as we don't go to prison, we're not really hurting ourselves, but you are. Sheriff.